Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's topic is going to be about women's mentality about themselves. I know a lot of females around me who are lacking confidence, who talk negatively about themselves, and how that negativity is projected in their life. So, without wasting any of your time, I'm going to hop right into today's topic. The first thing first is whatever you say is who you become. So let's say, for an example, if I say, oh, I'm ugly, I am fat, I don't know how to lose weight, I'm eating unhealthy food, I feel negatively around my surroundings, I don't like it here, that is what is going to happen. If you talk bad about yourself in front of a lot of people, you are, going to implement all of those things, which is what we do not want. अब लोग कहते हैं ना pretend like fake it till you make it. That is 100% right. I don't know why a lot of females, they have an issue with, oh, मैं pretend कैसे करूँ? I know this is not my reality. Make your reality, because your words are making your reality. So it won't cost you anything for you to just say, oh, I'm confident. Oh, I am proud of myself. Oh, I'm going to lose weight. I'm losing weight. If you talk in continuous tense, your mindset is changing, your subconscious mind is changing. But if you continuously keep saying ki, no, I'm bad at studying, I can't study, I can't do my work at time, I'm getting low paychecks, that is what is going to happen. You have to change your mindset. And why today I'm specifically targeting women's, it's because men's have a really good control over their mind, and even if they get sad or like hurt emotionally, they know how to bounce back. Whereas females dwell upon like their sad emotional part, which we do not want. We want to change. New Year is right around the corner. It's going to be September in just like 12-13 days, and then October, November, December, like 3 महीने ही है. फिर उसके बाद is going to be 2025, and in 2025 we do not want to take this past version of ourselves in a new year. So that is one thing. You need to start speaking highly about yourself. And even if your friends, even if they take you down, and even if they say, oh, you're negative, like you have a negative mindset, you're depressed, you're getting sad, oh, you look dull. As a woman, you need to understand that females go through phases each month. We have luteal phase, we have ovulation, we have monthly cycles, we have all of these phases. And in those phases, these phases last for 1 week. We are going to look pretty 1 week, we're going to look okay 1 week, and then you're going to look bloated, bad, bulgy in 1 week, because our body is functioning that way. And I can understand why men do not understand these phases of women, but if a woman takes you down, then that is shameful for her. Please educate those type of women that, dude, I'm a woman, you're a woman, you need to know more about your body. We go through phases, which is why I'm looking a little dull now, but I'll bounce back. Once my body is ready to bounce back, I'll bounce back. Now the other thing is that colors. Now I know white, black, red, a particular shade of red, and blue. These 4 colors, they look good on me, and orange, burnt orange. These 4-5 colors, they look amazing on me. They make me look very flattering, they make me look presentable, they make me look perfect. Now, let's say if you're even more fairer than I am, or if you are a little darker than I am, or if you are a little more darker than someone who's already tan. These all shades are beautiful in itself. Do not let the stereotypical thoughts ruin your mindset about your own body. Do not let the society's negative energy, negative mindset come get to you. Don't let that happen. By the color, what I'm trying to say is that if you are in a certain color range, like your skin tone, then you need to wear a certain color. It only takes 2 minutes to Google it up, to look up on Pinterest, to see women who are in the same skin tone as you. Once you see all of those things, automatically you are going to be like, oh, she looks attractive in that, I am going to try it. And then guess what? You look attractive because same skin tone, and whatever she's wearing is perfect for her skin tone, which automatically means it will look good on you. Now, people who are extremely fair, they wear like English colors, they wear more pastels, they wear more muted, deep tone colors. The people who are darker, they wear neon, they wear, for an example, Nigerians, they wear neon. I've seen them wear a lot of neon, and then they wear white, and then they wear orange, all of these colors, like bright popping colors to, define their body shape, body structure. So you have to do the same thing. You have to wear accordingly to your body type and your body skin tone. Now, you have to follow people who look similar to you. Now, if I follow Gigi Hadid, if I follow Kendall Jenner, okay, if I follow Gigi Hadid, that somewhat makes sense because Gigi has round face, I have round face. So the jewelry type she wears could look good on me. But if I follow Kylie Jenner, who's like completely plastic silicone, who morphed her face into looking like the ideal version that she created in her brain. Now, we cannot afford plastic surgery. I do not promote plastic surgery. However you are made is however you have to return to your creator. That is the way of living, and we are made beautifully because the creators, the God made us. So you have to follow people who look exactly like you or look similar to you. So let's say if the face looks similar, the body is not going to look similar. Like Gigi Hadid, her face looks similar to mine, but her body shape is not similar to mine. Like, she's tall, she's broad, and then she has like I don't even know how she looks, to be very honest. But I follow other creators, other Indian creators who have the same body type as me. And by body type, I do not mean fat or muscles, I mean body structure. Because see, if I gain weight and if the same person is gaining weight, they are going to gain weight at the same place, just like me, because of the bone structure, because of where they hold their weight. So I follow all of these people. I follow Chrissy Chella. You can just go up on Instagram and you can search Krissy. So her body type and my body type is same. We hold a lot of weight on our legs, and which is why I follow her, to see which clothes are flattering on her so that I can influence myself. Instagram, social media is all about influence. So you need to get influence from the right set of people. If you look up to a very skinny, petite girl who has a different body structure, who has a different bone structure than yours, and even if you lose weight, you are still going to criticize yourself and be like, why don't I look like her? I'm losing weight, I'm almost at the same weight as her, but why isn't my body looking like hers? Because baby girl, bone structure matters. Okay, now you need to understand if either bronze, gold, rose gold, or silver looks good on you. So as you can see, I have gold on this hand and I've got silver in this hand, but I wear a gold chain and I don't wear earrings on a daily occasion, although I have my piercing starting from ear till ear. I do not wear earrings that much because you know what happens, sleeping, while I go to sleep, it hurts. So then I remove it and then I forget to wear it again. But here's a recommendation. Now, I am still trying to figure out which looks good on me, either silver or the gold, which is why I'm like wearing both. But once I figure out what looks good on me, I'm going to wear that. Now, I believe that gold makes me look a little yellow, haldi colored, turmeric color, but for a lot of other people, gold is going to enhance their tan beauty. Now, I am not particularly on the tan shade. I'm like somewhat still fair for the Indian skin tone range. So it's very difficult for me to find a jewelry set that looks good on me. But I recommend you to look into this, to search up which jewelry looks good on you. And see, if you're a girl, let me tell you something. Jewelry is like the beauty enhancer for females. I'm wearing a white basic plain white top, full sleeve, but as soon as I put my hair back, there's jewelry. Even if it's minimalistic, there's jewelry. If I wear a earring with it, it's going to enhance my basic outfit, which is why you need exercise. Like, you need to exercise your outfit. The other topic that I had to share with you guys is friends, your surrounding, your family. Blood means nothing, and I repeat, blood means nothing if they disrespect you. If they take you down, if they put trash on you, if they talk badly about you, if they do not motivate you, if they do not support your creativity, then they mean nothing. Then blood will just get as thin as water. And if a friend who's supporting you, who's pushing you, who sees your hard work, then that water like relationship is going to turn into blood. We need to understand the difference between family, loving family, and a family who disrespect us and we still consider them family. You don't have to consider any of those things. See, if someone is disrespecting you, that's a human being. You have your own boundaries. You need to be like, listen, this is my boundary. You cannot cross it. Even if you're my family, you're my husband, you're my boyfriend, you cannot cross it. Because of my boundaries is who I am. You cannot dance on my boundaries. You cannot put your foot here and then take it back and then here, then take it back. No. You have to be here if my boundary is here. This is the way of living. So there are a lot of girls who, come from a little toxic family situation, and your family might be never talking highly about you. They might never appreciate your beauty. They might never, call you good looking, or they might never say that, oh, you're creative, shabash, you're good. They might never say that. You know why? Because they're jealous, they're envious about you. And even if they're not jealous, they're not envious, they just don't care. And you don't want to consider anyone a family if they do not care about you. Family cares about one another. Family looks after each other. You need to surround yourself with people. Okay, let's say like we are brown. We cannot leave our house. We cannot go anywhere else, right? You have to be here. But that does not mean that you have to listen to someone's trash. You don't have to do that. And I'm not telling you to be disrespectful. I'm simply asking you to completely detach from whatever they're saying. Just completely ignore it. Because that is not your reality. Your reality is that you're beautiful, you're pretty, you're angelic, you have creative mindset, and you can score better in your office and even in your school. Score better in office, by that I mean that you can get your work done very fast and with zero errors. You are capable of all of these things. हमारे दादी और ये लोग हमें बोलते थे कि अगर हम पेड़ को अच्छे से हम उससे बात करेंगे, if we say good morning, I love you, hi, if we say all of these things to a plant, they are going to flourish, they are going to grow to become these strong, beautiful tree. But if you take that same plant and if you say, I hate you, you're ugly, you're bad, that plant is going to die. तुम सबके घर में एक ना एक पौधा हो गए, दो होंगे तो एक्सपेरिमेंट करो, एक को अच्छी चीज़ बोलो, एक को बुरी चीज़ बोलो, और देखना अगले दिन तुम्हें दूसरे वाले इस पे ना डैमेज दिखाई देना चालू होगे. बिकॉज दैट इज़ अ लिविंग थिंग. It understands our frequency, our vibrations. Same as how we are. We understand frequency, vibration, tone, and the language. So imagine how much those words are going to affect us and affect our progress to, grow into beautiful human beings. All I'm trying to say is completely detach yourself from negative people around you and see yourself flourish. Surround yourself with friends who actually do care about you, who are actually going to be there for you. If you just simply say कि नहीं यार चलेगा, my friends don't meet me, they don't remove time for me, it's okay, it's fine, they're busy in their own life. No one is completely busy. Einstein had time for his wife. He had time to go back home and cuddle and love his wife. I think Einstein had a wife. Wait, I'm confused. Anyways, whatever it is, a businessman, Ambani le lo. Ambani has a wife, Ambani has children. He goes back to them, he loves them, right? So when you call up like you call up your friend and they are like, oh no, I'm busy, and then you call them again and they are busy. Do you really want to be with people who have zero time for you? दिन में 24 घंटे होते हैं, उसमें से 8 घंटा तुम सो रहे हो, बाकी कुछ घंटों में से तुम 1 घंटा नहीं दे सकते अपने दोस्तों के लिए. Shame on you. And much more shame on yourself because you are being friends with them still. Okay, I understand medical condition, health issues, yada 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 yada. But if a person is healthy, fit, fine, then why are they not meeting you? These are just excuses to ignore you, and you should take it for a sign, my love, and you should ignore these people. Ignore them. Okay, girlies, that was enough for today's video. I'm going to come back with another one, and I'm going to talk much more about feminine growth. I completely want to make my channel woman friendly. I mean, guys can watch my video too, but like मैं अभी जितने भी बैठ के ऐसे टेड टॉक दूंगी, मोटिवेशनल स्पीकिंग करूँगी, that will majority that will, you know, give, why am I fumbling, that will give the upper hand to females only and not to men. So if you want to see my videos as a man, do so, but if you wanna unsubscribe, I 100% understand, because my channel is just going to be female focused from now on. I hope you guys liked my video. I'm going to see you guys in another one.